Hi students, in this class I am going to explain you the first program of recursion. Program is very simple. Just we have to print the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n. Same thing we can do with the help of loop iteration. Just simple for I equal to 1 to n, within block you can print the value of I. Same program we will make with the help of recursion. Recursion also do the work of loop. So there is a difference between recursion and iteration that we will discuss later on. But today first program, how to print the series. Program is to print the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n. I have taken this time a class name is alpha. Within this class, the function is void main, from where we will call the function disp, static void disp. I am just calling the function disp by passing the value 4. So here first of all n will become 4, and here I am writing system.out.println n. So 4 will be printed. Now I am calling the same function disp with n minus 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. Second time it will be called by 3. 3 will be printed and so on. 2 will be printed, 1 will be printed, 0. It will become infinite recursion. Now we have to control it. We have to make it finite. I am going to put one condition here. If n is equal to 1, system.out.println n, else I am putting these two statements in else block. Now try to understand the working again. From 4 we are going to start calling the function disp from here, n will be 4. Now condition is false, else will execute, it will print 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Next time second function call be with 3. Condition is again false, it will print 3. 3 minus 1. Third function call with 2. Condition is false, else block. 2 will be printed. 2 minus 1. Final call with 1. Condition is now true, so 1 will be printed here. Now here control will transfer after printing 1, else will not execute. So this curly bracket will execute. Now the last function call, the last block in the stack will be removed. The control will come back to the second last function call where n was 2. So at this place nothing will execute in that function also. Same way control will come back again and finally back to the main function. So this way it will print the counting 4, 3, 2, 1. It is a reverse counting. But question is this, we have to print the counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you have to do, just interchange these two statements. When you bring these statements here and this one here, now what will happen? First of all, function will be called again and again, first with 4, then with 3, then with 2, then with 1. Finally 1 will be printed, and when it come back, second last call, it will print 2, and third last 3, fourth last 4, and so on. I am going to explain you the same thing with a different method, with different memory blocks. Now try to understand once again the same thing, same function. This time I am just writing here system.out.println disp n minus 1 and print n. Here print ln n, calling the function, again print ln n. To make you understand, I am going to make the same function here 4 times. See, static void disp int n, same function as it is, I am writing the same coding. Static void disp, same int n, if n equal to 1, now I have drawn the same function 3 more times, 1, 2, 3. This is the function disp 1 time, second time, third time and 4th time, same function, everything, just to make you understand, because when we call the disp function it will call it from here again, so it creates a new memory block. Then in second function call it will make another memory block. So consider these are the different memory blocks. Now try to understand. I am passing 4 from here. Just I am rubbing, starting from the beginning. 4 is passed, n is now 4. Condition is false, else will execute, it will print 4. 4 will be printed. This 4 minus 1, 3. So second function call will be 3 with 3. Value of n will be 3. So suppose this is the next memory block, second memory block, but here value of n is 3. Condition is false, else will execute, it will print 3. So 3 will be printed. Now 3 minus 1, 2. Next function call by passing the value 2. So this is the third memory block and here n is now 2. Again condition is false, else will execute, it will print here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So next function call with the value 1. Here condition is true, so 1 will be printed here. So now you observe, first it is printed 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. After printing 1, else will not execute, this curly bracket will execute, it means the work of this function is now finished. It will be removed from the stack. This is the last function call. So after completion of this function, control will go back to the last function call, second last function call, and second last function call was this. From here this function was called, from here. So after completion of this function, control will come back to this statement, and after this statement will execute, it will print the same value 2. Now else will complete, this function will also remove from the memory and control will come back here, from here it was called. So it will print here 3 because for this function n is 3. Now this function is also completed, control will come back again here, the value of n will be 4. and after completion of this function, control will come back here. Now see again, from the beginning, when we passed 4, 3, 2, 1. After completion of this function, come back, it will print 2, 3 and then 4. So output will be 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the output of this program if you write like this. But suppose if you are removing the first statement, now we have to remove from everywhere. Now try to understand. Again, we are passing 4, condition is false, nothing will be printed, just function call, 4 minus 1, 3. Nothing will be printed, just function call with true. So you can say that control is transferred from here to here by passing 3. Now control will transferred from 3 minus 1 true to this function call. Now again condition is false, 2 minus 1 1, and control will transfer to this function call, and finally value of n is 1. So 1 will be printed, first of all it will print to 1. Now nothing will execute, come back again. After this statements 2 will be printed. This function will be removed, control will come back here, it will print 3 and finally it will print 4. So now output of this program will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope this is clear to you. If you write after the function call this statement, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4. If you write before the function and remove from here, then it will print reverse counting, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just this change you have to make. I hope this lecture is clear to you. That's all.